Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and I'd like to talk to you today about the benefits of the Decentralized Private Network. The Deeper Network's decentralized network has over 100,000 nodes online, over 100,000 users sharing their internet for you to tunnel your traffic to. This enhances anonymity as well as makes it very, very resistant to government censorship. There is no single point of failure, unlike other centralized VPNs. Load distribution is incredibly important. With over 100,000 nodes online, the entirety of the Deeper Network traffic can be distributed through those 100,000 nodes. And scalability is off the charts. With a decentralized network, there is no limitations in scalability, unlike any of the traditional VPNs with a central server. The Deeper Network's decentralized network has a very low barrier to entry. Once you purchase a device, then you have the DPN for the rest of your life. Unlike traditional VPNs that have subscription services that you need to continue to pay to use the service. In fact, the Deeper Network has crypto mining incentives, so if you wish to participate, you can earn rewards. Overall, the Deeper Network's decentralized VPN is more private, secure, and resilient than the traditional VPN central server. The more nodes that are incorporated into the Deeper Network, the faster it will be. The more users on a central server, the slower it will be. Make the right choice, go with the DPN. We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. Continue watching the playlists to learn everything there is to know about your Deeper Connect and the Deeper Network.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.